Hi, I got a question from someone saying that what should you focus from on CAT or GMAT examination? Now, since I'll be starting my course on GMAT, I'm trying to start training students for GMAT. Okay, for exam, I used to do it anyway. I'm doing it again. So, training students for GMAT. So, the GMAT exam becomes also an important examination in the whole management scenario. But yes, if you're looking at management education in India, then definitely CAT becomes the most important part of it. And then you look at GMAT because almost all the top colleges in India take up CAT. So you should focus on CAT. But let's look at GMAT. I mean, how important and what, when, in what scenario you can write GMAT. You can write GMAT preferably if you're ready to wait to get into a good college. I mean, work, take a few years experience, and you want to go abroad. That is one more area where you can write GMAT because going abroad, doing it from a better college, you can always use your GMAT scores and go abroad. Also, the fact that GMAT is normally valid for 3 to 5 years depending on colleges. So it helps to write a GMAT now when you're preparing for the CAT. Okay, so that you're in touch with the preparation, you can score well in GMAT, and then use the score later, possible. Right. Now, what are the advantages of GMAT for Indian education at least? Let's try to look at it. Now, GMAT now is being used for two of the top 11, 12 colleges. One is SP Jain and one is MDI Gurgaon. Both are using GMAT, are accepting GMAT as the exam scores for the entrance. But yes, in that case also I would prefer writing CAT to a GMAT. But yes, uh, you can use GMAT for these two colleges. Apart from that, yes, you have ISB, you have Great Lakes, you have XLR Executive MBA programs, you have IMA Executive MBA program, you have IM Bangalore, and so on, Executive MBA program. Most of these are 1 year courses, other colleges which I talk about, which normally requires a lot of work experience. Minimum 2 years of work ex, but ideally more than 4 to 5 years work ex. Okay, these are colleges. Right, so if you're looking at these colleges for doing an executive MBA, maybe in the near future, again, maybe you can add a GMAT and try applying to these colleges at a later period. That is also possible. So there are advantages of writing GMAT somewhere. It also reduces the pressure on CAT. I remember there was a student of mine who had given CAT, didn't get into a college she wanted. So she helped me wait for 1 year. She wrote a GMAT first, okay, got a decent score, okay, and then she wrote a CAT, and she got IIM Lucknow, okay. What happened? When I talked to her, she said that the fact that I got a decent score in GMAT reduced her pressure on the CAT, and that with a reduced pressure, she could perform better in the CAT exam. I mean, without much greater preparation, but the reduction of pressure definitely helped her to score better. So yes, you can write GMAT. I mean, it makes before you write a GMAT exam, it makes sense to consult people to actually whether GMAT is useful for in your case or not, because GMAT is useful in very specific cases and it's a costly examination. And because it's a costly examination, it makes sense to first find out is it really useful, will it help you, and then maybe you can decide to take up the examination as what you wish. But yes, very clearly, if you're purely looking at MBA in India and in the short term period doing immediate MBA, then definitely focus on CAT. But if you're ready to wait and write CAT again, but ready to wait, or MBA abroad, or looking at options, then maybe GMAT could definitely help you to get into a good college. Also, to look at the options, research a little bit more, and find out what works for you, what does not. Thank you.